In SMT chip processing, we often see the combination of pieces, generally called 2-in-1 4-in-1. This is because the production line has many processes, from the front end to the end of the core equipment, respectively: printing machine, SMT machine, ray flow, general front end printing machine. Printing a board time is about 10 to 25 seconds. The rear end of the high-speed SMT machine takes the board. It may only take a few seconds to finish all the electronic components. If the placement machine appears empty board phenomenon, then it will reduce the production efficiency of the entire SMT production line. So the PCB board needs to be assembled in order to achieve the SMT production line. The production efficiency of each process balance. There will be no accumulation and empty phenomenon, so that each process equipment fully play the efficiency. PCB board edge design. The most important use in assisting PCBA production. The current SMT production line is very automated. PCB board transport depends on the belt and chain. The main purpose of the board edge is to these belts and chains. Transport board width. Second, PCB board edge to the ICD or FET test after SMT positioning board, so as to avoid the real bed and test point out of position. As SMT production line sensor to detect the position of the circuit board. XZH Technology Co. Ltd. is a one-stop PCBA service provider. Pay attention to me. Take you to know more about PCBA knowledge.